Umbatha lothi badlala amaNazaretha elikaSathane.
uSathane nguye uqobo lwakhe umbatha.
Umbatha uhamba nalamadoda lawa engiwafakela okuConstantine, uMpostoli Phawula, uKing James, ngoba ibona abantu abasungula ibandla okuthiwa iChristianity, hayi le ndoda yabethela esiphambanweni. Kanti ubani wasungula iChristianity?
Paul did. King James reinforced it. They built a religion using Yeshua's identity.
Umbatha lona impisi imbatha isikhumba semvu. Okungangokuba konke akushumayela la akukho nokugodwa okushiwo uYeshua nokumiyalo kaYeshua. Uphela uhamba phezulu kwepolitics eyenziwe uKing James noPaul. uYeshua uthi kodwa bangekhonza ngeze befundisa izifundiso zemiyalo yabantu. uPaul loyo.
Yeshua did not create Christianity. Yeshua never built churches. He never said to start a religion. He called people back to God. Paul never met Yeshua, not once. His version of Yeshua came from a vision. And most of the New Testament is Paul's letters.
Bayolalela iziyalo zomuntu ukudlula ezabo. AmaChristian enza lokho, awayigcina imithetho. Alalela ama-teachings kaPaul from Acts to Revelation.
Here are the vast differences. 1. Who is God? Yeshua says in John 14:28, "My Father is greater than I." He separates himself from God. He points to God as the only authority. But Paul says in Philippians 2:6, Christ being equal with God, Paul elevates Yeshua to divine status, something Yeshua never claimed. King James locked that lie into his translation. 2. Who should you follow? Yeshua says in Luke 6:46, "Why do you call me Adon, Adon, and do not do what I say?" In Hebrew, Adon means sir, not Lord. King James twisted that into Lord to support worship of Yeshua, even though Yeshua asked for obedience, not religious titles. Paul says in Romans 10:9, "Believe in your heart, and you will be saved." That's belief without action. That's salvation without righteousness. That's not what Yeshua ever taught. 3. What about the 10 Commandments and the Torah? Yeshua says in Matthew 5:17, "Do not think I came to abolish the law, I came to fulfill it." But Paul says in Galatians 3:13, Christ redeemed us from the curse of the law. Paul calls God's law a curse. Yeshua calls it eternal. You can't follow both. 4. Who are God's people? Yeshua says in Matthew 15:24, "I was sent only to the lost sheep of the house of Israel." He identifies as part of the chosen people. And Yeshua made it clear. Anyone who follows his teachings and keeps the commandments is counted among the chosen people of God.
Abayogcina imithetho bazobalwa njengabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Iphele lapho. Le yakho mbathi inkolo no King James iyalwa. Ngoba ipolitika kuyona inkolo. Akukho kunye abakwaziyo ngaphandle kwalokho. Kwaleli gama lika Jesus Christ akulona igama lenkosi eyalengiswa esiphambanweni. I-idol abafuna umhlaba wonke uthandaze kule idol, hayi kumuntu owabethelwe esiphambanweni. Ubani igama lomuntu owabethelwe esiphambanweni?
They call the Messiah by his true name, Yeshua. But Paul built his theology on non-Israelites, and King James rebranded Yeshua into a new name, Jesus, a name Yeshua never knew, never heard, and never used.
Umbatha lona ubuswa idemon le-idolatry lokuthi abantu abathandaze kuJesus Christ. Asike sibheke igama lendoda eyabethelwe esiphambanweni la ngempela. Okumele ngabe ngempela umhlaba wonke uthandaza kulo.
Yeshua. Yeshua is the only word that means salvation. No other words mean salvation. Not Lizus, not Jesus, not Jesus, not any other name means salvation. Only Yeshua. If you see in King James book that it says that God instructed Yosef, the father, to name his son Yeshua, then it's correct. But if you see that he says Jesus, if the book says Jesus, it is wrong. Jesus means nothing in no language. The name is Yeshua. No other name. You got it? Jesus doesn't mean in Greek, doesn't mean in English, salvation in any way.
Umbathi lona demon elikhulu elincenca abantu ukuthi bakhonze izithombe bangagcina imithetho kaYeshua, bangagcina imithetho kaNkulunkulu. Ilona elikhonzana uJesu. Umbathi lona demon elikhulu elizodusa abantu. Because amaNazaretha they listen to Yeshua. Uma ethi
Yeshua says in Matthew 5:17, "Do not think I came to abolish the law, I came to fulfill it." Who are God's people? Yeshua says in Matthew 15:24, "I was sent only to the lost sheep of the house of Israel." He identifies as part of the chosen people. And Yeshua made it clear. Anyone who follows his teachings and keeps the commandments is counted among the chosen people of God. They call the Messiah by his true name, Yeshua.
abantwana bakaNkulunkulu ilaba abagcina imithetho ayishilo uYeshua. Wena ubizela abantu endaweni engenamthetho la kugundwa khona ikhanda njengawe ususe ngisho intshebe. Awuzihlukanisi ukuthi umkhulu noma umfana. Uthandaza ume ngezinyawo. UYeshua akazame ngenyawo beguqa ngamadolo ngoba amadimoni angamguqeli uNkulunkulu. Udla ingulube mbatha. uYeshua akayidle ingulube, ikholo aliyidle ingulube. Niyathemeleza mbatha uma nikhuleka. Shanda labashiya. uYeshua ufundisa ukuthi ningathemelezi njengabezizwe. Niyaprofeta mbatha, nibonomba imbayi mbatha. Ugandaganda. Nidwebile amathathu mbatha, nifaka amacici mbatha olimini senkabeni. Izitabane niyazishadisa mbatha. Abesifazane bagqoka amabhlukwe mbatha. Eninabo ebandleni kodwa lithi owesifazane akangagqoka okwendoda. Umbatha akakholwa ukwipolitiki eyasungulwa
Paul, King James, the 23 other books, and a man-made version of Jesus. A religion designed for politics, not for God.
Wemkhulu mbatha. Christianity was designed for politics. Ingakho ungakuthola ukuphumula ngoba ibandla lepolitiki akulona ibandla likaNkulunkulu. That's why ungakayeki ukudelela amaNazaretha namanje ngoba awukholwa ulandela inkolo yakho that was designed for politics eba ne debate forever. Wase kwaba khona uConstantine owashintsha usuku lokudumisa kwakuSaturday. Bathi sekuyodunyiswa Sunday ngenxa ukuthi bona bamaRoma bakhonzi ngoSaturday. Ngoba bakhonza uNkulunkulu wabo okuyilanga abamkhonzayo esun, ingakho baze bacreate usuku okuthiwa Sunday. Kanti izinsuku zazigcina ngoSaturday. Amaxhosa athi umgqibelo, usuku lokugqibela, usuku lokugcina. NoYeshua wayekhonza ngalo lolo suku olwalukhona kwi-Old Testament. Base baletha uNkulunkulu wabo bambiza ngoChristus, idimoni eliwuSathane elibizwa ngokuthi uJesus Christ. Elingahlatshelwa elizihlabela lona. That's why bagingika nezimoto njalo ngamaphasika. Ilona eliyisebenzale umsebenzi lona. Ngoba njalo ngephasika kaIsrayeli bekuhlatshwa izimvu, kuhlatshelwa kuthiwa iphasika likaJehova, and uYeshua ubedla leyo nyama ehlatshiwe, lezo zimvu ezazihlatshiwe ubedla njalo inyama ngephasika, waze wahamba edla inyama ehlatshiwe kaIsrayeli. Base banikwa usuku lomhla ka-25 December. Zonke izithixo abayicreatile zizala mhla ka-25 December. Kwathiwa lolo suku lugcinwe kanti luyiritual yamadimoni abo abizwa ngo-Alpha and Omega. Kuthiwa leli gama likaNkulunkulu kanti igama lesithixo saseGreece uDionysius. Kulapho-ke abafaka lesi sithixo esibizwa ngoJesus Christ esizalwa mhla ka-25 December, esizalwa yiVirgin, esifa 3 days, sivuke ngosuku lwesithathu. Zonke lezi zithixo zibona la escreenini zifa ngomhla ka-25 December. Umhlaba wonke usukukhonza lezi zithixo, ukhumbula zona. Manje-ke mbatha, there's no such thing called uJesu. uJesus Christ. uJesus Christ akuyena uYeshua, isithixo esifike noKing James noPaul. La khona okuthi Yeshua nina nithandaza nithi Jesu, Jesus.